Well, hey everybody, welcome to this third little teaser video about just some of the modules we're going to be covering in the one-day retail managers bootcamp that we're running on October 18th in Toronto. One day only, first time we do this. It's going to be amazing. We're already about 50% sold out and it's not until October, so the response has been great. All right, so we talked to you about a couple of the previous modules. So now let's talk to you about the next one that we're going to be talking about. This one's got everybody excited. Strategies to actually retain your team. Look, in a world, and I say this to my clients all the time, you know, over the past couple of years where we haven't been able to find anybody to be able to work in the stores, I said, listen, job one, the first strategy when you can't find anybody is to stop losing people. So this module really just takes a look at what are all the things that you can do to retain your staff. Look, we don't need them to stay forever. If we got them to stay for just 6 months longer, that cuts our turnover rates in half. That's half as many people that you need to hire this year, which makes the hiring job a lot more feasible. We'll walk through literally dozens of different ideas of things that you can do immediately in your stores to get your staff turnover rates down. It's really important. So do yourselves a favor, get your teams signed up to this program. The early bird expires on August 31st, will not be extended. Saves you $150, only $395. We even feed you hot food in this program. So sign up and we'll see you in the program.